surprise, surprise! Ulit yan!
Today is your day, your most special day. Wishing you a happy birthday, my Nico. I love you and I miss you so much. Mwah.
Sana all!
Kababayan, ako si Abigail Cañete, ang Love Ambassador ng St. Love sa Pinas. At nandito po tayo ngayon sa Tuturan, Zamboanga del Sur upang isurpresa si Ma'am Leonisa galing kay Ma'am Archilyn all the way from Taiwan. Kaya't samahan niyo po kami mag-spread ng love and happiness. Alam si Tuyo naman. Hindi kasi, hindi ko ano, receive na lang si Ma'am Open!
Nigel, surprise, surprise! Ulit yan!
Happy birthday! Minsan daw titigan din. So, kanina package, bihan din kita kay Ma'am Kuwait.
Taiwan? Hala, di balhin.
Si Ma'am, hi, Mind Po. Happiest birthday to my partner. Mind Po, I love you. You make me feel beautiful and loved. I'm sorry, I can't be there with you in your special. I wish you a lot of happiness, joy, and long life. Stay healthy, cute, and awesome. And to continue loving me, my one and only. I just want to tell you something. I want you to know, no matter how far we are, up and down, I won't give up on us. I know it's hard, but my soul I will fight for you. For our future, I'm yours. I promise you, I'll never stop loving you. I want to know,
Puso mo ang puso ko, sobrang nasasabi. Kahit na anong tagal at kahit pa anong hirap, lalabanan natin ang long distance relationship.
let's go back to Ma'am Archie sa iyahang birthday wish.
Hola, thank you.
Alam mo ba, ako'y nalulungkot dahil
Happy birthday!
wala ka sa tabi.
Matapang po,
Naging hinahanap sa mga lambing mo ay nananapig ako.
Happy birthday, sister! 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy
Asahan mo na po sa'yo, pinagbabago puso. Kaya para sa'yo, magtitiis, maghihintay hanggang sa'yo papabalik. Puso mo at puso ko, sobrang nasasabi. Kahit na anong tagal